In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Whop. If you want to update your account so it looks more personal and recognizable, this is a quick setting you can change in just a few moments. A clear profile picture can make your account easier to identify, especially if you interact with communities, customers, or other users on the platform. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish in a simple and easy to follow way. To begin, go to whop.com in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your personal settings. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before moving on. After you're on Whop, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is where you'll usually find the menu connected to your account. Opening this area gives you access to the settings and profile options you'll need for making changes. Next, click the settings icon. This will take you to the part of Whop where you can manage your account details and customize how your profile appears. If you don't immediately spot the icon, take a second to scan the menu carefully since its exact appearance can vary slightly depending on updates to the platform. Once you're in settings, click Edit Profile. This is the section where you can update the public-facing parts of your account, including your profile image. It's a good place to review your information whenever you want to refresh how your profile looks. Now click on your avatar or current profile picture. This should open a file selection window on your computer. From there, choose the picture you want to use. It's a good idea to pick an image that is clear, well lit, and easy to recognize, since smaller profile images can be harder to see if the photo is too dark or too busy. After selecting the image from your computer, Whop should begin applying the new picture. If the new image doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds to upload and refresh. In some cases, reloading the page can help you confirm the change. And that's it. Your Whop profile picture has been updated. Now you know how to change your profile picture on Whop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.